What is up, Watch Collectors Guild? This is James here. This is crazy, but I've got 2 videos this week. So, actually, a good thing because I need to catch up on making videos. I've been gone a while on vacation. Like I said before, it's summertime. Take that vacation. Get out there, rest, relax, do the things you love. Just recharge your batteries. You know, it's a good opportunity to go show off all your cool watches as well. But you need that. Your brain needs that. So, go have some fun. Well, today I've got a unboxing video. So, Timex recently released the Timex Camper X Stranger Things 40mm fabric strap watch. So, I'm a Stranger Things fan. Had to pick it up, and boom, here it is. So just a quick unboxing for y'all, and just let you know my initial impressions. But yeah, if you guys pick this up as well, leave a comment. So let's jump in. So right away, you get this rectangular box, longer than I expected. Actually, the box that it came in the mail, I thought it was like a filter for my refrigerator. But yeah, get this cool watch. Let's see what it looks like. Taking off the sleeve here. Okay, really cool. Netflix, Stranger Things, Timex. Looks like model number is TWTV 50800. Says movement. It's made in the Philippines. Strap made in China. Got your Demigorgon. All you Stranger Things fans, shout out. Timex. So I've had a few Timexes before. I think it's called like, was it the Weekender or something like that? Okay, so another sleeve. Okay, cool. So this case is almost like a book. Let's open it up. Got your warranties. This is like a cardboard. Okay, looks like I'm on the bottom side. The upside down. Okay. Good opening experience here, keeping with the theme. And right away you can see that this dial is different. The upside down with upside down numerals. Very cool. But what I expect to be the best part of this watch, I'll have to show it in a little bit. Okay, keeps opening up. Yeah, so I should put like spoiler alert on this for those that are waiting and want to be surprised. But there's the Demigorgon mouth. Really cool. Alright, looks like at the point I can take it out. It is a light watch, very light. Very, very light. I'll set it here. Let's see what else we have. Okay, so this continues to fold out. Really cool artwork. And one less thing to unfold. So no, I don't think any like separate paper manual. So yeah, this cardboard has the instructions directly on it. It's really cool. So yeah, just a general quartz movement watch. Start your watch, set your watch. What else do we got here? Okay, so you can QR code for warranty information. And one of the coolest things about Timex is from the very beginning, the famous Indiglow. And if you've changed the battery on the Timex, they usually come with a pretty big batteries, so they last a long time. All right, let's look at the watch. Okay, so yeah, we have our crown guard. It comes off. We can start her up to the appropriate time. So, got my Aragon watch here. Aragon Regeneron T100 skeleton. For those familiar with Aragon. Alright. Let's see that. It says at that time. Alright. 10:50. Let's see if I can do this. Really trippy looking at it upside down. Okay. Start her up. There she goes. Let's see, does this have a guard on it? Yeah, I'll take this off for you guys. Better view. So the Timex camper. Probably just to be something that you'd expect those kids to be wearing. Simple watch. Let's see. On the back, let's remove the strap. Okay, so it does say Netflix, Stranger Things, Timex, Movement Philippines, Strap China stickers. We need to take those off. Really cool. But yeah, this thing is light. So let's show you the weight, just so you can see what I mean. All right. Let's get this all fit on there. Okay. Oh, let's get it into grams. There we go. 33 grams. So you can see a very light watch, plastic watch. Let's throw it on the wrist. Yes, if you're still watching the video now, consider subscribing. I will be showing off some watches that I pick up in my watch collecting journey. I also sell watches now and then, so you can check out videos. I'll try to post more videos on the shows that I have hit in my store. But definitely looking for more like fun and unique watches. That's my style. And affordable. Okay, there we go. On the wrist, 40mm presence. So yeah, not too. Let's see the thickness of that. I'll just the thickness in a little bit. But let's show the best part. Okay. Lights off. And boom. The Demigorgon teeth again. So cool. And the glow. And it still has lume there too. So that's pretty neat. You get both. Whoa. Alright, case thickness. Yeah, looking at from back plate to crystal at 10.4mm, so pretty thin watch. But yeah, this guy is running for $89. It looks sold out right now, but I'm sure they'll make more. But just sharing with you guys. Well, thanks, like I said, if you're still watching, subscribe to my channel. Helps me out, appreciate it. And to all else, happy collecting. Catch you next time.